Hello, how are you doing today? So right now we will be talking about local arbitrage. Local arbitrage simply means you want to buy locally to sell to people. Like you don't want to import products from China, right? And you don't want to import products from Dubai, from all these places. So it's not a must you import products from abroad before you make sales. You can also make sales by buying locally. Go to your local market and buy. You can buy in bulk from your local market. Those people that know Kano very well, they know that Kano sells good Ankara. So you just go to a local market in Kano where you know, okay, this is what they used to sell. Okay, they used to sell only Ankara or only lace. Then you just go there and price the products very well, and you will buy enough, go home and sell online. I didn't say go home and sell to people around you offline. Sell online. So this is how local arbitrage works. Then you can also do this. Let's say you want to be selling ring lights and you think you don't have money to really buy it from China, okay? Then you can go to Lagos, maybe in Apapa markets or all these markets that are big markets where you can see people that will be selling like 100 pieces of these ring lights at a time. Okay? So walk around local markets and buy more than enough at a time. You don't need to import it. You don't need to go through the stress. There are people that would have already imported in Lagos. And you know that products are cheap very well in Lagos, in Kano, and products are cheap very well in Suleja. Okay? So if you want to buy, you can also go to Suleja to buy shoes. You can buy quality shoes. Okay? Once you buy quality shoes, maybe at lower rates, maybe you buy the quality shoes at 2,500 naira each. If you go online and sell it at 4,000 naira, you are still making 1,500 naira on each of the products. So you are not losing. And the advantage to local arbitrage is that you are seeing the product to your eye like this. It is not as if you are seeing the picture, you see the video, and at the end of the day the product arrives and it doesn't look like what you ordered online. So the advantage of local arbitrage is that you are buying from somebody you already know, somebody that if they sell rubbish for you, you can just tell them that you don't want the product again. Those are the advantages of local arbitrage. So you don't need to start waiting for only importation before you make sales online. Okay? So right now, let's now say you don't even want to travel to Lagos to go and do that. You don't want to travel to Lagos or Suleja to go and be buying products. Okay? So there is something you can also do. You can go to Gigi online. Just search for Gigi. Everybody knows Gigi marketplace. Okay, so once you go to Gigi, search for that kind of products you are looking for. Once you search for it, you will see tons of people that are selling that kind of products. They are already an importer. They are importing that product. Now the next thing you want to just do is to liaise with one of them. So the next thing we want to do now is that we visit Gigi and we will search for products and we will look for a supplier we can liaise with. Okay? So there was a guy I chatted on. There was a time I wanted to buy casseroles. I wanted to buy food warmers. And the food warmer, there's that type of food warmer is very heavy. And I think if I should ship it in from China, the money I'll be paying on the weight of these products will be too much. and I need it in a very short time, like my customer need it in just 1 week to that time I was looking for it. So I now think of what will I do in this case. So the best thing to do is to go to Gigi. Okay, so you don't go to Jumia, don't go to Konga, because if you go to Konga, you are buying in retail price. If you go to Jumia, you are buying in retail price. But if you go to Gigi, let's go to Gigi now. If you go to Gigi, okay, you log into your account, just click on here, then sign in. Then you can sign in with either your email or phone number. So you can see that on Gigi, you can see different products on Gigi. But right now, maybe we are looking for ring lights. Then we will say wholesale ring lights. Once you say wholesale ring lights, you just search for it. Right now you can see this ring lights. You can see this ring lights, right? This one is 18 inches and it is rechargeable. That's 3,800. 18,000. See this ring light, this one that you can fix to the phone. Okay, so this one is 7,500 and it is let's see, click on it. So you can see the background of this person's ring light. You can see that this person is really selling ring lights. It's selling ring lights. It's selling different lights. Okay, so you can try to message them. Okay, see this person now. So you can message this person and ask her that, okay, does she have this product? Okay, you want to buy 40 pieces of it. Once she hear that you are buying in bulk, she will reduce the amount. She will not want to lose you at all. They will not want to lose you. Okay, once somebody hear that you want to buy in bulk from them, if the product is originally 5,000 naira, you can price the product as much as 2,000 naira or to as much as 1,500. I hope I'm clear. You can price the product to as much, like this product now is 7,500, right? But you can price this product to as much as 4,000 naira, and she will sell it to you. Since she know that you want to buy 20 pieces, you want to buy 50 pieces. I hope I'm clear. So if you want to invest in local arbitrage, you can also invest in mini products that you know that will not take much of your money. There are importers, apart from people that sell in big markets. There are importers that are ready to sell in bulk. So you can also buy in bulk from them. If they are selling a product normally at 500 naira, you can just walk up to them and say, how much is this product, ma? They'll say, it's 5,000. Then you can say, 5,000 naira when I'm buying 40 pieces. No, you sell it for me at 2,500. Or you sell it for me at 2,000. They know that if they make money in bulk, it means a lot to them. So they want to sell. I also used to sell to people that are in the market. Okay? And that is local arbitrage. Once you are an importer, you will be ready to sell in bulk because you want to make your money quickly. You don't want to be waiting for people that will be buying one by one. So if you reduce the amount, they will definitely reduce the amount for you. Okay, so all these products that you are seeing 18,000 naira, you can just go up to them and walk up to them and say, maybe you have gone to the market in your area and you already know the price, and you have gone online, maybe you have gone to Jumia and you already know that, okay, this product is actually the 18,000 naira they are calling it, but me, I want to buy in bulk. So this 18,000 naira product now, you don't want to buy it in bulk. You want to buy it in bulk, and you want to tell them that, okay, I want to buy it in bulk. Then you have to reduce money for me. This 18,000 naira product that you see, they can sell it for you at 10,000. so that they will make their own money at once. Okay, you can say, okay, I need 12 different types of it. So you can see this person now. See this person. This person has enough. This person is selling enough ring lights. Okay, so they are selling enough ring lights. They have enough ring lights. You can see this person. So these are the kind of people you can buy in bulk from. So it's not only ring lights that you can buy with local arbitrage. Once the product now arrive, you can now go online, search for product pictures that you can use. Then you can go online and sell. Okay, you can go online and sell. You can make videos of how you are using the ring light to make a video of yourself. Okay, then you can upload it in Facebook. You can sell online. Once you know how you can create Facebook advertisement, you know how you can create TikTok advertisement, you know how you can create Instagram advertisement. Once you know how to do all those things, you are okay. And you have to start with knowing how to create Facebook advertisement, because with Facebook advertisements, you can sell on anywhere. You can sell on Jumia's website, you can sell on Konga's website, you can sell on different websites. When we reach how you can set up your Facebook advertisement, I keep on saying it again, you will enjoy what it means to sell online. So have a nice day and take care of yourself.